Hello muchachos, muñecas, let's change the mega farm from this small cow pasture to this mega large cow pasture. Okay, let's go. Look at this difference now. It's like 2 times bigger, maybe even more. So I need to squeeze it right somehow in here. First of all, I need to remove those fences and cut down the trees all around and other structures which are in the way. Okay, now for the real business. I will level the terrain all the way to the river so I can get as much space as possible to build the cow pasture and other structures. Later in the video you will also see that I changed the terrain a little bit because I wasn't satisfied with it, so I leveled it even higher. Like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Here I built 3 retaining walls for reference, so I can build 3 terraces according to the height of the retaining walls. Need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. So here I tested the cow barn to see if it would fit in the space I created, but it was a bit too small, so I stretched it out accordingly. So this is the day you will always remember as a day I'm normal. I'm fucking normal. Here I built retaining walls for the first time. Later in the video I wasn't satisfied with the level of the terrain for the cow pasture because it was too far below the main road. I wanted to lift it up a little bit, so I raised the ground higher than I originally planned. That way I wouldn't have to steep off an incline going up to the main road. Because of that I had to delete all the retaining walls I just built here, level the terrain up and then put the retaining walls back. You'll see it further in the video, cabrón. I'm fucking normal. I'm normal.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. Got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
At this point I will expand cow pasture on one more field, and later in the video I will expand on 3 more. This is the first placement of the cow pasture. I'll be making it larger later on to fit 4,338 cows, so I'm going to skip through some of the fence building here. You'll see the final build further into the video, because I don't want to waste your time on this part, since I end up changing it anyway. Cool, muchachos! Here I tested this turn by the retaining walls to see if there is enough space for heavy vehicles to turn. There is only space for 1,300 animals, so I ended up expanding it on 3 more fields later on. Cabron! You can't believe this shit, cabron! Normal. So yeah, here it begins, muchachos. This area for this large barn is only for 1,382 cows. So even though this barn is larger than the previous one, it isn't modified like the first one. So the same size area actually holds fewer animals. Cabrón, hijo de puta, cabrón, gringo. So I expanded on these 3 fields here. You see, these 3 fields here. I built 2 bridges here, so the pasture can go underneath them to the other side of the trails. Under the bridge, of course, of the trails. Cabrón, I'm normal. I'm fucking normal. Normal. So yeah, I expanded to this area all the way here, space for 4,338 cows, animals, whatever, cabrón. Normal. So I'll buy 3 more fields to expand the cow pasture. It will be expanded by 28 hectares. So let's go. After we sold everything, I built 2 bridges here. 2 bridges because I want 2-way road. So the pasture fences can pass underneath the bridges. I needed to back off a little bit from the hill by the train track so the pasture could also fit under the train bridge, since that's the only way to get the pasture fence across the rails. First I adjusted the bridges so the curve to turn wouldn't be too sharp. Then I raised the terrain, watching it carefully, of course, to make sure the incline going up to the bridges wouldn't be too steep, muchacho. And I even brought a truck over here to use as a reference. So I hope you enjoy this this build. Thank you for watching. If I haven't said already, cabrón. Let me know in the comments what you think of this build, muchachos. So, this is the day you'll always remember as the day I'm fucking normal.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
just make my way into your mind, just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control. Darkness take control. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, would always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
clearly see here the number 4338. Okay, now just some minor details like planting some bushes around the bridges and the pasture. Nothing special, come on. So I guess this is it. I did forget to put fences around the retaining walls at the bridges. I added those later in the game when I noticed, so it's not in the video. Sorry about that, but I don't think it's a big deal, come on. Yo muñecas, muchachos, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at final results. Thank you for watching again, and I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments what you think about these retaining walls, how they look to you. It's a really big area, yeah, and this is the only way to get the fences, or the pasture if you prefer, across the road under the bridge. Otherwise it's impossible until we get a mod for that, maybe. So what do you think? Is it good? Cabrones?